Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kyrteng Ïakhun New Thep National Awakening Movement, uba THS Bonney, uba penkrep hai ladia Ïakhun yak election MP na ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Syaka ying dorbat hawan Lok Sabha kaban salong hak khatwai terik penayayong mentau snam hene kasngi khat khandai terik luber arjar khat khandai ulale Thep Kyrteng ladia khmat Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasiels District ubalong ru returning officer jong ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Uba THS Bonney balasan ran lang ru da UMLA ka khnam uba adelbat nong rum bat kiwi kinong ilam bah khmat joka party ha ka jing keran begila patai kubor ula penpau ba ka jing simra jong u bandrong sya ka san perthai bat bani khuni kini election MP kadai halor ka nong rem ba ka jela megalia ka lahir arsot ha baro kiliang
kani ka Wikipedia ka ai GDP per capita income habi nujor ik state bafer jong kari India kabanengkong kawan ke Goa kabaar kawan ke Sikkim nangta kabakhatpra Asian Pek no Mizoram kawan bakhatpra Nagaland kawan kabaar Pulai Meghalaya kawan kabaar Phofra na ki life ar teli ki jela jong kari India ni ka Meghalaya ngiwan baar Phofra lakat tasnam yang ilas nsyar ki sing bafer kiseng ki blane ki posnem balai ba ka Meghalaya kawan ka baar Phofra ngam tre bangan point out ya ka mistake jono ru hidanga kwaban kali ya gitu barok ki badan ha kiseng ki bahe snobha jubab why Meghalaya come on 28 position as per the GDP per capita income which can be seen kalabani I ha kano ka internet mo tinga ladang job MP ngakular ya fi kun new trip barok gitu Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ailat yang ngan job sansnem ngakular ya fi baka ka 28 position kan kiu syajrong deki kam jonga sansnem ailat yang snobha kali balai bakane ar Phofra bat ngakloi ban debate banno hangno ru balai bakalong ar Phofra position kani ka atlas jong barokha yupule Oxford School Atlas kebo baro Ikhna school kia pule hangno ru. Page number 1 jangan school atlas. Page number 1 juga school atlas kaung kumno. Meghalaya is shown as 22,429 square kilometer. Ngiong bagadon ke jingya kaja hapedeng ke Assam bat ke Meghalaya. Hindre ha school atlas ngi pedang R4R hajar sauspa R4 square kilometer. Haka nega juga kot atlas 13 square kilometer baya kajia hapadeng ke Andhra Pradesh bat ke Puducherry ki company ha kamap jong Andhra Pradesh bat ke Puducherry ngi ong baya don Bombay upud usam ar hajar news pa kilometer kumnongi pedang ya kani upud usam jongi hadu menta kumnongi pedang kata geli kita barok kilalong no yalam boros kata balengi pedang ya kani ke school atlas habangi ong dan ye kajia ya kajia kai habaki wai tangkhan lai square kilometer ru ki pediang na ka banta ki khun samla ki badon keleng ki i kini interview pihun kumbakalong menta kakam kajam ba fiyo pai nganga dei IFS officer na pass house nam khat khnai spa profession na du u ar hajar khat lai ndon khasishu bapas IAS IPS IFS mdon bapasu ikasi nadu u arajar khatlai snobha kali ya kita gi noyalam jong fibro kibalan brush kata balai bomdon bapasu na marba ki school jungi hanong kendong kimlong shu ki school jungi kimler aila dengan job MP aila dengan long kum MP phinyoi bangan ki ngan sai gi sansnem baro ki school kin wan gejing kala hading ni sayo nangta kawai ngakwa ban kren nengkong ya ni ngakwa ban kren di paranong kendong karep karyang jong fi kasa kumto ndon bayarap ya fi manoru kadon gejing duna karep karyang hangi penon kami gitar kadon goi ke video ngopen ni tip baga kendo ha Meghalaya baro kalong asid u satellite figure buan nangte wong ba ka Meghalaya kalong asid ke kendo hindre hakan no ka school hanong kendong ru judon ban hikai ban ong bagai kendau kalong asid bat kumno ban pendu ya kata ka jinglong asid larang pijit yang aku MP pini begitu kitung kitap mentah pilih siapa wala khiat ki ang lakor wiak tram pilih syate sia sngi molain pinong bu panurit umlong bha piwan pilih siapa ki ang bu sing wiak tram balai bom judan bahikai ngi kata ngi gendong susah begum tu nadu msya hadu mentah na kata kadau ka Meghalaya kawan ke posisyon bar pufra hawi nunjor bat kiwe ki jela ni pan bakan rung haka 8 schedule tangba ni kian ponan kam ya ka tin lajong ni kwa bakan long haka 8 schedule bakan rung tin kasimo tang mangi kwa ruban burom ya ka tin kasi ndai tangang ni hinrea po assembly we started like that na lain siya kinong gendong kiong ler ayu itai seng knam le ayu marwe ngan kali gane wi jengkli pilale ayu mentala si posnam pilale ayu balik ke posisyon di kalong arpupra mo haga jing sisya habang late marwe ngalong free now mentawat bajit yu kandidat rumo barit ila declare yang menca arsnem mensya amdan kam permission na Delhi ni jongi ya declare hi bener mo daga du sisi taga tomun ya declare hi mangi nyimdan kam menek pan permission na Delhi na kata kadaw ngala ban kobar kisnong arsnem kini giwe kin hab declare kandidat lai to Joshua namar hab pan permission na sengai baro ki development ru hab pan permission na Delhi kano ke jela ka basya remote control kam kro nyimtre sya remote control ka khnam ga yang bai no remote control by anybody this is our land we will control it nga ngatip kani ka way mo ka ina lain panmit ngam tre ban yakren kat ba panpat mbej ya ka borda mo ningkong shua bab ka ina lain ka permit kamut phihap snakit ai permit bandrum mo kumno fi snakit haba ka border ka kenro jong phi kampat sna mo first you make the wall then you make the gate mde ba snakit shua sasna kenro hadir ke tong ipen be shua yo put usam ndala bay uput usam ngin sekren yaka LP not in this form maybe in some other form. I have to be very careful about that because it may not be in this form. ILP in some form but not in this form. I don't want to stress more about it because why other governments they were not able to use to implement it because there are some problems with it. So not in this form but in some other form of ILP. But before after the border, after our border are very clear, we have boundaries, clear boundaries in the state. Like I've seen in our states, we have boundary pillars everywhere. For Bawan and Kong, promise 2 crore job every year for the youth. Let us ask this question: whether 2 crore job have been given to us? Let us. What is the future of the youth? What is the feeling of the youth in our place? More. Another thing. Why this unnecessary controversy on CAB? You know, so many controversies. Controversies which tend to divert our focus from the reality. That, as I said, Meghalaya is 28 in position. We should not divert. We should focus on development, real development, not on those running after, we have a meeting with Madam Student. Pensiong sheet ika tu. Tang maniyo bus nang taladep nang tu. Kibriung yokam. Employment of the youth is more important. Education in the village is more important. I will focus on education for the villages because I live in the village. Nga siya nong